You can simply boil 5 to 8 bay leaves in 1 to 2 cups of water for 5 minutes, and then let steep for another 5 to 10 minutes. Strain into a cup and let cool to your desired temperature before consuming. This is a very easy way to obtain these health benefits of bay leaves, and you even have the option of leaving the bay leaves in if preferred. Now, let's discuss some of the amazing health benefits of boiling bay leaves and consuming the liquid. First, bay leaves and the liquid from them offer many different types of vitamins and minerals. They are packed with important nutrition for our bodies. This mixture of boiled bay leaves offers good levels of vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, iron, magnesium, and calcium, among many others. It is also a great source of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Boiled bay leaves also contain some fiber. Boiling bay leaves and consuming the mixture can also help to improve digestion, and more importantly, reduce the symptoms of unwanted digestive disorders. The liquid from boiled bay leaves can have a positive effect on the gastrointestinal tract overall, and help the body to get rid of toxins and other wastes. As well, the organic compounds in this mixture can significantly reduce stomach pain, irritable bowel syndrome, and contains enzymes that can promote digestion and nutrient uptake. Drinking the mixture from boiled bay leaves can also help to protect the heart and promote our overall heart health many different ways. This is because bay leaves contain specific heart-healthy organic compounds known as rutin and caffeic acid. These compounds can help to reduce the risk of heart disease. As well, caffeic acid has been shown to lower and regulate bad LDL cholesterol in the body, while rutin can help to strengthen our capillaries. The good levels of potassium and magnesium in boiled bay leaves are also helpful in this regard. Boiled bay leaves can also have tremendous and significant positive effects for those individuals suffering from diabetes or those at risk of developing the disease. Studies have shown that drinking this mixture can help to regulate blood sugar levels, as well as improve insulin receptor function. Bay leaves may also be able to improve insulin sensitivity. Lastly, boiling bay leaves and consuming the liquid can also help to reduce both stress and anxiety when consumed regularly. This is because the liquid from boiled bay leaves contains a unique compound known as linalool, which can help to lower the levels of stress hormones found in our body. This can promote relaxation and reduce anxiety and anxiety-related symptoms.